Hey guys, today I'll introduce this Tesla game controller to everyone. Let's first get a simple understanding of it. When your Tesla is charging or during camping, you can enjoy some entertainment to pass the time. During your family travels, enrich your children's experience with a variety of entertaining activities. Okay, let's take a look at how to use this Tesla game controller. The small connector I have in my hand is responsible for connecting the game controller. Let's take out the game controller. Please remove the USB drive for Tesla's Sentry mode. Next, take out the connecting cable from the package box. The disassembly and installation process is very simple. In the end, you just need to align the connecting cables plugged with the USB port for Tesla's Sentry mode and plug it in. Okay, let's start our game controller. Let's enjoy the entertainment time inside the car. It is truly blissful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.